Hi everyone, it's Paul from Denbee Honey. Today we're going to do a bit of bee stuff at the end of the video, but for a start, we're going to the Ploughing Society's just round the corner from us this year. So we're going to walk up and we're going to have a look round the tractors and the horses and that, do a nice video on them, and then we'll get back home and we'll have a little chat at the end. Right, catch you in a bit.
Stay with your mic.
Sounds beautiful. Okay then, we're back now. I hope you enjoyed the few clips and videos of the Ploughing Society. I thought it was really interesting, and it almost made me want to get my own little tractor out and have a play this afternoon, but I'm not going to. We're having a day off today. We've been really busy with the logging and that. I've still got loads of logs to split. I'll put a picture in there in a minute. But yeah, we've done that. I've got one little bit of news to tell you for the Denbee honey. I decided over the last couple of weeks, I've decided to buy a new settling tank because I'm trying to work out where my pinch point was between extracting and put it in the bucket. And it was coming out of the extractor into the bucket. It was the filter was clogging up, and it was taking us ages. So what I've done, I've bought a settling tank from Thorns actually. I had a look at all the extractors. I got in touch with all the manufacturers, and at the moment, the one I think that's going to suit us the most, because it'll be able to use it for dual purpose, is the Thorns one from there. I'll put the pictures up of it. Here they are. Look. As I was saying, it's the actual make of it is called Logar. I think I'm saying that right. I'm not sure. It's what they sell, and I've got the filters are in top on the top, and they go in the top actually. I've got them here. Look, here's a coarse one, and there's a fine one. Look, and what they do, they go into, they slot into each other like that, and then they go on top of the settling tank like that. And it's a 35 kilogram one I bought. That's the weight. So it's not massive, but having said that, we don't get massive amount of honey at the moment. I just get enough for what we need, and you know, we're working, still working at the moment. I've just not got time to invest in any more hives at the moment, so that'll suit us. And also, I can put the settling tank in my warming cabinet, and the new settling tank, it's got a sloping floor in it as well, so all the honey trickles out to the gate. It's a really good made. It's really, the quality is brilliant actually. You can see the quality is fantastic. So yeah, so we'll be using that a lot. Well, I'm using it now actually, but when we come to extracting in the spring, that'll play a big part in Denbee honey again. So yeah, I'm looking now at warming cabinets as well. I think that'll probably be our next investment. So watch this space. So that's it then. So if you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe our channel. And we'll see you next week. See you guys. Thanks a lot.